This is Jeffrey Nemhard from the Mech 140 Introduction to Robotics class. This is Lab 2, and this is the first experiment in Lab 2 where we're going to use a potentiometer to make a LED light blink faster and slower based on the apparent resistance in the circuit. As you see right now, the bulb is blinking slowly, and that's because the potentiometer is using its lowest setting. What we're going to do is we're going to turn this potentiometer up. We'll see that it starts to blink faster. And then we're going to turn the setting up even further. And you see the bulb blinks even faster to the setting, so therefore it is showing you how it is reading the voltage. Actually, it's so fast now it's not blinking at all. There, and you can see the speed it's blinking now. So that is the first circuit that we're using the Lab 2 to show how the potentiometer is being read and how the bulb blinks according to the speed to the voltage that's being applied to it. This is Jeffrey Nemhard. This is a second part of the lab for the Mech 140. What I'm doing right now is I'm showing that I've made the same circuit, but all I've done is change the code so it can read the potentiometer. And what's going to happen is that as I change the direction of the potentiometer, the reading will show a different rating that's being read by the sensor. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to point my camera to the screen and let you see the numbers change as I change the potentiometer. So let's see if you can see those numbers as they're scrolling by. If I change the potentiometer, you'll see the numbers will start to get smaller. And you see they can go down to 0. And as you see, they'll go all the way up to 1023 bits according to the program. So therefore we know it's reading the potentiometer and it's actually showing you the settings that are involved in that. This is Jeff Nemhard with part 3 of the lab, where what I have now is a potentiometer attached to the circuit, but this time it's a variable potentiometer which I can verify by switching around with a switch. And it's going to do the same as the earlier one, that as I turn the switch and as I turn the potential on the potentiometer, you should see that the read of the circuit then will change according to the voltage that's being put through the resistor. So right now I have it turned to its lowest setting, so you see that the numbers again are at 0, and as I turn it up, you see the numbers changing. See how the numbers start to change, and the numbers again will start to change based on the setting. And that is being done by me changing the voltage setting with this tool, and therefore you get to see the voltage setting change on the screen according to that change in the tool. So we verify the potentiometer is working. And now we're going to go next with another sensor.